Alright, so I don't know what's wrong with this car, because like I just changed the alternator fuse again. I already changed it before, but after changing it again, now it seems like it wants to work. The battery didn't just, you know, it wasn't consistently dying like it was before. This shifter feels so notchy now with the new what are they called? The new detent springs, Speed Factory detent springs. Feels ridiculous. But yeah, the battery didn't die. I'm pretty sure it'll start back up. I don't know. See, like right now it seems to be fine, but it was like this last time. I let it sit for a few days and I came back to start it, and then it was doing the same thing. It was the battery wasn't charging it again, and I don't know why it's doing that. Like the my sub is not even connected. My amp and my sub and all that is not even connected, so that wouldn't be killing the battery overnight. The stereo is connected, but that's, you know, obviously that's not something that's just gonna kill your battery over. So yeah, I don't know why it's dying overnight like that, or why it was. Actually last time it didn't die overnight. I came and started it the next morning and it was still fine, but then it just all of a sudden started tripping out again. I replaced my window regulators. This one seems, yeah, this one is slow too, but that passenger side, look how slow it is, how weak it is. Look how slow it come up. And that's not even because the battery's dead, that's just how it works. Because if I come to start the car again, it'll start, watch. I drove it with this computer in, the car got flooded with water. So I don't know. Gotta put my door panel back in. It's bad enough with this one going. The battery's just staying like within this range. Off, the battery starts to go up very slowly, but that's pretty much how it's supposed to do, except I think it's supposed to have more voltage than this. See, like it just went up again, so I don't know exactly what's going on with this thing. Like, I didn't even touch those wires today. I didn't touch the alternator wires at all today. All I did was change the alternator fuse, and then now it's acting like it's gonna be normal again. See, it just went up again, just a little bit. Oh, it went back down, and then back up. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that's all it was the fuse, and maybe when I unplugged my ECU, the fuse went bad or something. I don't know. I have no idea, or it stopped reading the fuse. You know, I really don't know. Just hoping that's the case. But now, well, I'm not gonna do it now because the car is hot. So I just drove it to make sure it was fine, and it seemed to be, but you know, it ain't no telling with this thing. But yeah, my timing belt is walking, so I bought a KS tuned. Oh wait, oh never mind, it didn't move. I thought my pulley kind of came off, but it didn't. But yeah, I bought a walk blocker. Dang, I don't know. Shout out to KS tuned. I bought a walk blocker from them, which is just this little thing here, and it costs like almost $60. It's kind of up there for something that's just this little, but it is what it is. It came out to $57 with tax and shipping and everything. Okay, it's a sticker that just flew out when I grabbed my package. But yeah, I have to put this thing on now. I'm not going to do it at this exact moment because my car is still hot, but when it cools down later on today, I'll just go ahead and set it at top dead center and, you know, make sure the timing is all good. And then I can't even see it from here. I got to take my tensioner off, and the way it goes on is this thing pretty much just fits right onto like the front side of the tensioner and keeps the belt from walking. So I have to put that on. These are stock cams, so I don't know why it's walking. Like maybe the belt is still too tight even though I loosened it some. Okay, it feels super tight right now. So yeah, the belt is probably just too tight, to be honest. But oh well, I already bought the walk blocker, so eventually when I upgrade to some fat cams, some aggressive cams, I won't have to buy it then, so that's perfectly fine. But yeah, like I was saying, the cars just act like it's running fine now. And that's with the chipped ECU. But last time I had the chipped ECU and the car just straight up almost broke for no reason. It just stopped getting, or started getting too much fuel, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this thing. It's stressing me out at this point. But I will be getting another vehicle sometime soon. Probably this upcoming weekend. So yeah, I'll probably show y'all that. I don't know if y'all gonna be interested in it or not. Probably not, but yeah. Alright, so I'm trying to put this shit on. But this impact is not strong enough to take this pulley off. I cannot take the tensioner off with this pulley still on. I can only take one bolt out. I can't take the other one out because, let me see if I could get it in there. Well, I can't reach the other bolt for the tensioner because it's in the way, pretty much. This is in the way of the other bolt. So I don't know what to do. You're supposed to hammer it on to there, and there's clearly not enough space for me to get a hammer up in there. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do about getting it on there. But this thing, you literally just put like JB wheels like up in there, and then you set it in there. Well, you set it in place and then you hammer it in. But yeah, man, I can't get no hammer up in there, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, so if you plan on installing a walk blocker on your H2B, do it beforehand, because you damn near gotta pull the motor out to do it after the fact. The way that thing is down there, it won't let you take it out unless you jack the motor up, which you got to take the motor mount off to do that. So yeah, I ended up getting the tensioner off with just a 12mm wrench. Yeah, so the way the walt blocker goes on is you take the JB weld and put it in there in that little race, and then you just put it on here, and then you gotta hammer it into place, and then of course you gotta let it sit for, you know, until it cures, which I think for JB weld that's like 24 hours or something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna leave my car just sitting like this for 24 hours though. That's kind of ridiculous. I'll probably let it sit on there for like 4 hours or so, and then go ahead and put it back on. Put the tensioner back on, but not, you know, put the whole car back together. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put this on now. Alright, got the JB weld on there. I know that look nasty, but I'm gonna clean it off. Alright. Yeah, that just happened. Alright, of course I couldn't just throw it back on there, because as you can see, that's in the way, and I can't even take it off now. So now I gotta take this damn mount off just to be able to get this on, and then, yeah man, this is annoying. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I already showed my like what's going on with my timing belt or whatever, how it's almost on, but I need to take the crank pulley off. Yeah, so I went and bought this strongest, this thing is heavy too, I went and bought the strongest impact wrench they had at Harbor Freight. This is 1200 foot-pounds of torque, and it still won't come off. Right now I'm letting the battery charge. I'm gonna let it charge all the way and see if it'll take it off. But if not, dude, I have no idea how I'm gonna take that crank pulley bolt off, because 1200 foot-pounds of torque, that's pretty damn strong, and then it's still not even, it won't even budge. So at that point, like, what do you do? Okay, I thought it stopped for a second. But yeah, I don't even know what to do, really, to be honest. Like, sounds like a straight up generator, dude. It's so quiet. I love this, about the heading on this other car. And the fact that it has a gear indicator, the best part. But yeah, just wanted to show this real quick. This was the other vehicle that I bought. So now I know. I might start motor vlogging, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah.